Assalamualaikum.
Amin, dengar, tak.
Assalamualaikum. Hey guys, what are you trying to do?
We both just trying how to disassemble this device.
I suggest we just do it.
No, we can't. I think we should contact someone who expert on this case.
Hold on. I think I know what to do.
Well, what is it?
I know someone that can help us.
Alright, give him a call, but better you join us for this project, Mr. Zulkarnain project.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Let's give him a call. Aku tahu ini semua tak adil.
Hello? Yes?
Can I talk to Mr. Haikal?
Yes, this is Mr. Haikal. What can I do for you?
Are you busy right now? Would you mind to come over my place? I've got something to deal with.
Okay. I think I could manage that. Okay, I think you give me your address and I think I can come over your place.
I will give you my address via messenger. So thank you for your attention.
Maybe this one. Assalamualaikum. Is this Aiman's room? Aiman?
Who is there?
Is this Aiman's room?
Yes, come in, come in.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Yeah.
Yes, Mr. Haikal, right?
Yes, my name is Mr. Haikal.
Pleased to meet. This is my partner.
Adli.
And this also my
Okay,
partner.
my name is Arif.
Arif. Okay. So you are the one that calling me Adli, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, no problem. No problem at all. Actually, I got no work to do, so I can come in. So, can I put my bag here?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So, what we've got here?
Okay, we want your help to do on this project. So we don't know how to do it.
Yes, can you?
This project, I think I can manage that. But before that, I want you three show and tell me what are you guys trying to do. So then, for the time being, I guess I will guide you with that.
Oh, yeah, that's great.
Okay, I guess we begin for our our project. I think we can disassemble this device.
Okay, let me open this net.
Careful there.
Okay.
It's hard to.
Yes, maybe it is.
Okay.
Okay.
I've done this. Okay, the screw is for tighten the blade with the motor.
Okay.
Okay,
Let
done.
me take the.
Okay, let me do this. Alright. Okay. I'll put it down here.
And now
Okay.
body is done.
Can you just
Separate it.
separate it? Maybe
The project is.
don't be so harsh. Don't be so harsh. Relax. Okay. So what about this one? Can you just disassemble this?
Oh, cannot.
No, I have to.
Are there any screw there?
No.
No screw, but how? Oh, there it is. I think. Oh, can you disassemble this screw?
Okay.
Just by right.
Okay.
Just twist
I
it
think
over.
it's
Oh,
yes.
Alright.
Already done.
Okay. Ta-da. Oh.
Be careful, just don't let the screw lost.
If you can see, this is the this is the hardest screw
Ayah
ever.
find
Okay, let me help you. Okay, thank you Adli.
That's correct, boy.
Okay.
So sir, can I ask something?
Yes.
So what is this things or
This thing.
this function?
But before I want to explain to you what is this. Do you know what is this?
I know.
Yes.
This is a motor, right?
What a smart boy.
Motor. Actually, this is a motor, and I will explain to you how the motor operates. Okay. Actually, the motor's operating voltage will be about 250 volts. And plus minus about 10% at a frequency of 50 Hz. So that's the effect of the blade to spin maybe faster, or you can adjust it to spin slower. Yes. Right. Alright. So actually, in addition, I want to tell you about the motor. Inside motor, we have a coil, copper coil.
Yes.
So do you know how the copper coil works in this motor?
Actually, I don't know much. Can you explain it?
Actually, the coil function about the magnetic flux.
Okay.
When the magnetic flux happen, it could generate the motor, so it could spin faster or slower.
Okay.
Okay.
I
You know much about this motor, right?
Not so much. Because I'm not the expert technician, but at least
You know something
I know something. I have explained the motor. Now I want to ask you. You have been taught by Mr. Zurai about this. I know what I want you explain to me. What is this about?
So I think okay, this capacitor is an electronic component that store electric charge. Okay, the capacitor is made of two closed conductors, usually plate, that are spread by a dielectric material.
Actually, the plates by silver plates, right?
Right.
The silver.
I
Okay.
think like
Okay. So, what about you, Aiman? Do you know anything about capacitor?
I know,
Yes.
but just a little bit.
It's okay.
What I know is the plate accumulate electric charge when connected to power source. One plate accumulates positive charge, and the other plate accumulates negative charge. That's all that I know about the capacitor.
I just agree.
Okay. What about you, Adit?
Okay. The capacitor is measured in unit of farads. The capacitance is the amount of electric charge that is stored in the capacitor. Of voltage is 1 volt.
Okay, that's great. I knew Mr. Zul will taught you well. Okay.
He's so smart.
Stop. Okay, so we have done about the upper parts. Now we
Lower
goes
part.
to the lower part.
Okay.
As you can see, this is the switch.
It's control.
Oh, it has 4 buttons.
Yes.
Yeah.
Only.
Can you explain this?
Huh?
this is the off.
Oh, I think this is the off button. So you can see this is off button.
Okay, so what's the function of the off button?
The
Why
current.
the off button is right here?
Wait, I want to explain it.
Okay.
The current not flow if we push the button.
Okay. How about you two guys? Do you have any idea?
The off button function to cut the current. So if no current, so the motor
Not cut current. I think it's open current.
Open
Yeah.
current, so there's no current
Yes,
flow.
no current flow, just
Yeah.
open.
In practically,
Okay, yeah.
Yes.
the off button is to make the speed the fan not speed.
Ah.
Okay. In practically, yes.
Alright, okay, that's great. So now we want to look at it.
Okay.
So
We have to open it.
okay, now we just disassemble the base,
Lower part.
the lower part. Right? Okay. Can you please help Adli?
Okay. Okay.
I just put it down here.
Oh, good easy.
I think it already. Yes. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Slowly. So the screw now.
Missing.
This one.
Dah, right.
Okay. Nice. Slowly.
Wow, amazing circle.
Can you manage that? Oh,
Can.
Careful with the screw. Careful with the screw.
Lock.
Okay. Careful with the screw.
Catch it up.
Okay. Just put it in.
Okay, this
Okay.
the thing inside the body.
Oh, there's another screw. Can you just open it for me?
Down on.
Wow.
Okay, slowly. The screw. Yes.
Okay, it's done.
Now, as you can see,
It's inside the switch.
this inside the switch. So,
We can move it.
who want to explain about this? Can you explain for me?
It has a spring on it.
Yeah, I know this is spring. So what? Actually, for what you observe, what do you see? What do you say about
I
this?
think
What do you see?
each
As
this
different capacitor or resistor.
resistor, yes. So each resistor indicate the speed of the motor. So if it has high resistor, so this motor will speed at lower speed.
Oh,
High resistance or lower speed, lower current, right?
Yes.
Yes, that's right.
higher resistor, low.
That's
high current.
according to the Ohm's law.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know that. The Ohm's law.
Can you use Ohm's law?
Yes.
I hate it.
Okay, as you can see, this.
Okay.
This
So dark.
This is one. Look at this. This is 1 ampere, 2 ampere, 3 ampere.
We no need light.
Okay, so
Okay, this is
so when
The current
there's
flow.
the higher current, so there's the resistance will be lower.
Yes.
Yes, just like that. Okay, now we just disassemble this all thing. You know all the function and all the parts, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I think that's for our project. I think you should assemble it back to the original state.
okay. Wait.
Okay, I see y'all. Well done on assemble this thing. So
Yay!
yeah. Applause.
Yes.
Hey. I think that's all for me, right?
Yeah.
Anything else that you want to ask me?
No.
No.
I think
So I think
Actually, you should go.
yeah, it's okay. I think I have to go now. Actually, I've got work to do. Oh, the payment.
Don't worry, we have prepare the payment.
It's okay. Not very much. It's
Oh,
okay.
okay.
I think it is enough. Oh, this.
Not
Oh,
very.
no.
Okay.
I think this is
Enough for you.
enough.
Okay, it's okay. As long as it is money, right?
Enough.
Right?
It's okay. So thank you for calling me. I think you can calling me again. So anything you got problem, you can call me.
Okay, thank you very much.
I should go. Okay, so
You really must go.
yeah, I should. Yes, okay. So anything else you can ask me.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
See you again.
Alright.
Okay, guys. Let's try it whether it is functional or it not.
Okay, like plugging
Okay.
to the power supply.
I worry.
I think we should plug it on like this.
That's the iPhone C,
And
right?
then, okay,
Yo,
lah.
whatever.
Okay, I touch the button, I push the button, and I push the button.
Oh, thank God.
Yes, it is.
Functional.
Functional well.
Okay.
What are you doing?
We had success in our project, right?
And it's sweet victory. Yeah. And it's ours for the taking. It's ours. go with no fear. Ooh, you only lose the gold. You push with a fever. Oh, your time keeps going on. Against all the odds, against all your pain, your back's on the wall with no one to blame. One heart won't be tamed, and it's sweet, 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 sweet victory. Oh yeah, it's ours for the taking. It's ours for
Bukan nak cakap apa, sekarang kita dalam rakaman video Disection.